Welcome back, guys. So today I'm here with Soul Lady hair. This is the packaging that I got this tote bag. Everything is branded, and then I also got the box with all the goodies inside. So let's get into it. I got this drawstring bag and everything is really nicely branded and professional. I also love the white. It's just pure and, you know, give that very pristine, clean energy. I got a pair of wig caps. I got an information card, and that's it. Not too much goodies today, but you know, it's still nicely packaged. So let's get into the wig. The wig, they place it specifically into this drawstring bag, and you know what, I feel like this is a special kind of wig today. I feel like my more mature ladies will enjoy a wig like this. The wig I'm showing you specifically is the custom dark salt and pepper silky straight hair full frontal 13x4 HD lace wig. I know the title is really long, but yeah, it's 100% human hair, and as I said, salt and pepper, so it does have some streak in there, as you can see. And this is a construction of the wig. It has a few combs inside, as well as an adjustable strap, and yeah, it's pretty standard cap construction, but the color job specifically I feel like caters to a more mature lady, and I feel like she will enjoy this. So, you know, Mother's Day is coming up, as I said, and I feel like this wig would be great for mom. Don't you think? Let me know down below in the comment section. So they also have other options too. So if you're trying to go a little bit more grown and you're trying to get like all the way gray kind of hair vibe, they have those wigs as well. So go ahead and explore Soul Lady website. The link and everything will be down below for you guys. This wig is also 18 inches long, by the way. All the specifications will be listed down below, and it's very full. Very full. It has a very realistic feel to it. Like, it's not extremely silky, but it's soft, you know. So it feels like really good quality hair, and I love that we have an option like this. So you guys should definitely go ahead and check it out. The front the hairline is, you know, very is pre-plucked realistically. If you want to go in and, you know, create more of a graduation, you can do so. I just pretty much proceeded to doing a glueless install. As you guys saw, I used my PS Lux melting spray to get this on. Nothing too crazy, very easy, very to the point. And as you guys are seeing, I'm just cutting away the excess lace here, after I was done with it, very quick and easy installation, I went in and I got my hot comb to get it really nice and flat and laid, and I'm using my PS Lux wax stick for that portion where you see I take my hot comb afterwards to get it really nice and flat, and then I go in with my flat iron and take my time to go through the hair thoroughly and get it nice and bone straight. But all in all, the texture itself, as I say, it looks very natural, very believable. It looks like nice blown out hair, and that I feel like is a 10. And as I said, I feel like my more mature crowd can definitely you know, enjoy something like this. So let's just get into me, you know, thoroughly flat ironing this wig. As you can see, this hair is like butter after it's flat ironed. Even before, like honestly, if you don't even want to go in with a flat iron, you don't have to, but it's like butter. Look at that. And if you guys noticed, I moved to like a window. I know you guys can't tell, but it is all natural lighting here. So I was showing you guys the wig in natural lighting. It looks really believable. Like, look at that. That looks like it's growing from your scalp actually. So 10 out of 10, highly recommend where that is concerned. Not much shedding, but there is minimal, you know, but it's not too much of where we're like, oh no, I don't want this wig or anything like that. No, it's very believable, it's realistic. Oh, right here I was just doing a very simple style, something more modest, you know. I feel like a more mature lady would enjoy to do something like this. Is very simple, very to the point, very beginner friendly. If you're not used to wearing wigs and you still want to do a little something, this is easy. It looks good. Yeah, so yeah, that's pretty much it for today's wig look from Soul Lady Hair. As I said, with Mother's Day coming up, I know, you know, a lot of you on here probably looking for something for mom, or if there any mature lady watching and you're interested, you can go ahead, check out my description box down below for all the information. If you're interested in ordering this, if there are any deals, any discount, it will be listed. That's it for today, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.